One word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
When you feel tired and worn out, exhausted from the journey, do not be afraid, but know that I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is restoring and healing, making new and making whole. Do not be afraid, but approach me with confidence, draw near in faith, knowing that I am the Lord who is faithful. For I am the Lord who brings beauty in place of ashes, the Lord who brings transformation and change. Do not look at your current condition, but look to me, knowing that I am the one who is redeeming and restoring, the one who is making new and beautiful. Look and see, for I am bringing transformation, I'm bringing change. I'm making you whole and complete again. For I restore you, I heal you, I fill you again, I fill you afresh and anew. It is a day of victory, for I am the Lord who restores you, the Lord who redeemed you, making you whole and new. You've wanted to see more by now, more progress, more clarity, more visible signs of things moving forward. But the Lord is showing me an image of a vineyard, with the vines which have been cut back, pruned back, so that new life and growth will come. And the Lord says, I have been preparing the ground. I've been preparing you for more. There has been a time of pruning, a time of cutting back, to make room and space for the growth that will follow. Trust in me that I am the one who is giving you the wisdom that is needed. I'm giving you the strength which is needed. I'm giving you everything that is needed for this season and for the seasons which are following. For I'm preparing you so that all will bear fruit, much fruit, fruit that will last. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am at work, that I keep my promises to you, and I bring them forth in ways that will surprise you, ways that will amaze you. I am the Lord who is committed to you. Do not be afraid. Put your hope and put your trust in me, for I am the faithful one. The situations around you have felt anything but stable. There have been shifting emotions, changing pressure, moments where it feels like you're losing your footing. But the Lord says, you are not as vulnerable as you fear, for I am the one who has strengthened you. I am the one who holds you secure. The Lord says, I am making you steady. I'm making you rooted in me. For I am the one who is your foundation. I'm the one on whom you stand. Do not be afraid. Do not allow fear to carry you away. But know that I am the one who is the rock on which you stand, the one who brings my peace in the storms of life. I'm strengthening you. I'm forming strength within you, not only for this season, but for the seasons that are to come. I'm teaching you to stand upon my word, to remain in me, so that no matter what happens in life, you have security and peace in the knowledge that I am the rock on which you stand. Do not fear, but approach me with confidence. Draw near to me in faith, knowing that I am the one who is your security, the one who causes you to stand strong against the storms of life. You've been asking the Lord, where is this all going? At times it's felt as if the way is unfamiliar. You've been wondering if you're truly moving in the right direction. But the Lord says, do not be afraid. I've not brought you this far to leave you or to abandon you. I'm leading you along the right path. Trust in me that I'm leading you up to a higher road. Fix your eyes upon me and continue to follow me, knowing that I'm leading you by the right path. I'm bringing you into a place of new perspective, of new understanding. Do not fear the bends in the road, for I know exactly where I am taking you. I'm guiding you with my wisdom, with my peace, and with my grace. I am with you every step of the way. Trust in me that the road will level out, it will become smooth. For I am the one who is bringing a new clarity to you. I'm bringing you forward into that which has been prepared. Do not be afraid, but keep your eyes upon me, not looking to the right or to the left, because if you do, then you would become afraid. But know that I am the one who will take you safely across to the other side. to a place where the road will be smooth and straight. For I am the Lord who is clearing the path, the Lord who is making straight the way. I see strawberries. Some of them are ripe, others are still green. But the Lord says, I will bring things to a place of ripeness. I will bring forth that which I've promised, in the right way, in the right time. You will taste and see that I am good, for I am the Lord of perfect timing. Trust in me and wait upon my promises, knowing that I am the Lord who brings fulfillment. I am the Lord who is not too late, not too quick or too slow, but I bring everything forth in its right way and in its right time. Trust in me that I am there by your side, the Lord who is leading you into life, into the full life that I have won for you, the full life that I have promised. I'm teaching you as I guide you along life's path. I'm teaching you my ways. I'm showing you the way in which I'm working. Do not be afraid, but look to me, keeping your eyes upon me. For I am the Lord who is strengthening you. I am the Lord who is empowering you. Some of the deepest work that the Lord doesn't happen in the noise. It happens in the quiet places, in the honest places, the moments when there's nothing left to pretend. The Lord says, come close. You do not need to hide your weariness. You do not need to hide your questions or your hunger for me. Be still and know that I am the Lord, for I am the one who sits with you, like a man sits with his friend. I long to hear your heart, to hear the things which are happening inside of you. For I am the Lord who takes care of you, the Lord who loves you. Take time in my presence, sharing the things which are happening, the things which are important to you. For what is important to you is important to me. I'm bringing my comfort and my peace. I'm making you aware of my presence. For I am the Lord who is with you, right there by your side. The Lord who gives you my peace. The Lord who is blessing you anew in this day. I see many different stones that have been washed smooth by the action of the water. They were jagged at first, rough and hard, but as the water has flowed over them, they've become smooth. And the Lord says, I'm washing you with the water of my word, to cleanse and to heal, to restore and to make new. For I'm washing away the rough edges. I'm bringing my peace into your heart. Allow me to work. Allow me to wash you with the water of my word. For I am the one who makes you whole, the one who makes you new. Trust in me that I am the one who completes you, the one who makes you whole and new. Faithful I have been, and faithful I will continue to be. For I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my Spirit. I'm perfecting all that concerns you. I'm bringing newness of life, fullness of. There are situations which have felt blocked. They've been blocked for too long. You've looked at the obstacles, the resistance, the weight of it all, and you've wondered how anything could ever move. But the Lord is saying, my love is not stopped by what stands in front of you. My love is not intimidated by what looks hard, too closed, or too far gone. For just as water flows around rocks, it always finds a way. So my love is finding a way through the circumstances of your life. I'm moving through places that have seemed to be shut. I'm opening up doors which have seemed to be locked. Where it has felt dry, where you've been wounded and felt heavy, I am bringing new life, new birth. Trust in me that I am the Lord who is with you. There is no reason to be afraid, for I am restoring you. I'm healing you. I'm making you new. It is a new day, a day of victory. For I feel you again. I feel you full and overflowing. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.